In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. If you need to remove a customer record from your Zoho Books account, this process is quick and straightforward. As you follow along, just make sure you're deleting the correct customer, since removing records can affect how you keep your customer list organized. It's always a good idea to take a moment to verify the details before confirming the deletion. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard or home screen, depending on your current setup. Make sure you're using the correct organization if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally make changes in the wrong account. Next, open the Customer section. To do this, click Sales in the main navigation menu, and then select Customers. This will take you to the area where all of your customer records are listed. Here, you can browse or search through your customer list to find the one you want to remove. Once you've found the right customer, click to open their profile. This page shows the customer's details and gives you access to additional actions related to that record. Before moving on, it's worth double-checking that you selected the correct customer, especially if multiple entries have similar names. After that, go to the top right corner of the customer page and click More. This opens a drop-down menu with extra options for managing that customer record. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just make sure you're on the individual customers page and not still in the full customer list. From the More menu, click Delete. This tells Zoho Books that you want to remove the selected customer from your records. In many cases, the system will ask you to confirm the action before it completes, which helps prevent accidental deletions. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete again to confirm. Once you do that, the customer will be deleted from Zoho Books, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. If you're cleaning up your customer database, taking a careful and organized approach can help keep your records accurate and easy to manage. Thanks for watching.